Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video, but this time it's a little bit different. I'm not doing my own hair. I've got my lovely friend as my model for waist length knotless braids. I used 3 packets of Expression in colour 1, and this is the comb that I used. So I parted out my first row and I did edge control to the parting to make the parting a little bit more precise. With what I like to call the back section, which is the nape of her hair to where her glasses are, which is the tip of her ear, I like to either do 2 rows or 3 rows. With her, I did 3 rows, but when I did my own knotless goddess braids, I did 2 rows. It's up to you. If you want the hair to be a little bit more fuller, then you can do 3 rows so it doesn't look as gappy. Also, you need to put edge control at the root of each parting before you braid so that the roots can look extra slick. When I'm doing the client's hair, I like to separate their hair and put them at the back of the chair so it's easy for me to pick up to do the braids. Also, before I start braiding a row, I look at the row and estimate how many braids I can possibly fit into the row. So, for example, if it's about 5 braids, I'll separate them with my hands and see, does this look too gappy? Does this make sense? If not, I'll split it into 6, 7, it just depends. I hope that makes sense. So this section is what I like to call the middle section, which starts from above her ear. I like to do 3 rows in this section and then move on to the top. So this part is a top section and I start going across. So this is going to be my first row of this section. So once I completed the back row, I did a middle parting. I like to section one side off and then split the section that's left into 2. So I have 2 rows on each side of the middle parting. So now I'm putting the ends in hot water so I can seal it so it doesn't unravel and it has a nice finish. You can either use a kettle like I'm using or pour the hot water into a big bowl. So I'm using mousse to flatten out any flyaway hairs, which in turn makes the hair more neater. So I used oil sheen to spray all over her braids to give her hair a more glossier and sleek look. So this is the finished look. As you can see, she loves it and she's dancing around and doing all of that. If you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Ray, I promise you, taste it. It tastes like juice, just taste it. Just taste it. What is it? Lemonade. I don't even like my mouth has touched it. No, it's not that. I just don't like. Just try it, just like juice. Honestly, see, Maria's not that bad. She but I don't drink. Yeah, but I don't drink spirits. Like, I don't drink spirits. It's like convenient to use. Thank you. Oh, I just get the arse. Oh, let's come back to another day. Featuring Hannah. Come in the girl, just wait. Just wait. That boy. I believe that's the one. Yeah.